In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change folder color in ClickUp. Color coding folders is a simple way to make your workspace easier to scan, especially if you juggle multiple projects. Let's walk through the process from the main workspace so you can follow along smoothly. Start on your ClickUp dashboard and head to your workspace. Open the team space where the folder you want to customize lives, then switch to the overview view. Overview gives you a clear, high-level look at your space and makes it easy to find the folder you want to update. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry. ClickUp occasionally refreshes the interface, but the option we're using will be in the same general place. Next, locate the folder you want to change. Click it to bring it into focus, then look for the three dots, also known as the ellipsis menu, next to the folder name or in the top right of the folder header. That menu contains the extra actions for the folder. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you're interacting with a folder and not a list or a space, and confirm you have permission to edit that folder's settings. From the ellipsis menu, select folder color. This opens the color picker for the folder. You'll see the current color and a set of color choices you can apply instantly. This is the control that updates how your folder appears in the sidebar and in views, helping it stand out at a glance. Now, choose the color you want. Click through the available options and watch the preview update so you can pick a shade that's easy to recognize. A bold color is great for high priority work, while a softer tone can help lower intensity folders fade into the background. Think about contrast with your theme and the other folders you already use, so nothing blends together. If you collaborate with a team, consider aligning your color choice with your existing labeling system to keep things consistent. The change applies immediately, and you can revisit the same menu anytime if you want to tweak it later. And that's all there is to it. Open Overview for your team space, choose your folder, click the three dots, pick folder color, and select the shade that works best for you. Small tweaks like this add up to faster navigation and fewer misclicks throughout the day. If you're organizing a lot of folders, set aside a few minutes to color code them by priority or department so your workspace stays clear and intuitive. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, more colorful ClickUp workspace.